welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Toyota flip key remote. Let's just pick the key up, make sure it's the same as yours before we start. Okay, if you bring the key up on its end here, you'll see there's a small cutout there. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. If you just get a small screwdriver, hold the key firmly in your hand, be careful you don't slip, and then just put a bit of light pressure on the back and it releases the back off the key. Now be careful, if the back's never been off, these can sometimes be a little bit tight, but there you go, you can see the back of the key is released. Reveals the battery. Today you're going to need a CR2016 battery. Now if we just carefully put the screwdriver in there, put your thumb over it, that releases the battery. There's your positive side, the smooth side. The negative side always has a slight domed edge. We'll just get the new battery, and that was going in, positive side up. Hook the bottom in, carefully clip that into place there. You'll feel it click into place. Get the rear of your key, line everything up before you try and clip it back into place. A little bit tight again going back on, but there you go, that's all back in place, and that's the battery changed on your Toyota remote key. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.